Alright, today I wish to figure out a mount here. So I have this here. This was the original lower mount for the motor. I'm going to use it because why not? It's already here. So let's get it cut off of this. We got that off. Oh boy. You can see somebody's, I think you'd call it a repair from before I got to it. Wow. That's something special there. That's a good welder. I mean, I'm not a good welder, but one day I hope to aspire this level of welding. Holy moly. Look at that. It's like the weld looks like it's literally just sitting on top. There's actually a seam between the weld and the things that were welded. Wow. That's something special. I plan to reuse this part and this piece. So it looks like that'll be easy to clean off of it when I get to there. Ooh, that's actually long enough. I think I just figured out what's happening here. I'll get those cleaned up to go together here in a minute. Now that I know that's what's happening there, let's make one for the other side. Alright, now these need to get welded together. So now, let's clean them up for welding. I hate this part. Alright, well I got these two L's welded together, 70 millimeters apart, so they can straddle that. So while it cools, before I can drill the holes, let's work on this one a little bit. So I got these two pieces cleaned up while I was cleaning that. I want to get this bolted in, and then get it welded to the angle, which will get welded to the base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp the bottom with some vice grips, this piece, and then tack it all together. Alright, now we've got this welded in here. Let it cool a little bit, still pretty warm. I'll have to finish welding it later, just like everything else. I think you're catching on. Next thing, we want to drill this to match this. 56 millimeters apart. What the heck did I do there? 66. Was it supposed to be 56? Yeah. Swiss cheese. There we go. All right, now with those tightened down, I've got two mounts here. I'm gonna attach them. All right, now I'll again finish this when I flip it. However, I got this mounted to this, which is mounted to this, which is mounted to this. So this is kind of hopefully a nice firm mount for that. I'm probably going to put gussets on this L down here also. I'll do two smaller used tubes, and I'll weld one from here to here and one from there to there to triangulate the bottom too. So that way it doesn't want to rock at all. All right, now all I'm going to do is loosen this a little bit. And rotate it up, because that's obviously going to have to happen, right? let's start getting some ideas. So this needs to be about like here. All right, so I don't want this close enough to where it might hit a bunch, so let's back it up just a little bit and then tighten it down. All right, cool. This one's got a nut that'll help me. But it's bigger than that. But it's smaller than that. All right, now I got this and I got this. All right, I got this and this. All right, now let's see here. What do I got? Oh yeah, I got this rod here. It should fit. Oh yeah, he'll fit. All right. Got a clean end. And now let's mark and cut our length. And it's gonna go something like that. Now, obviously when I weld, I'm not welding all the way through, so I want something else to be inside. This probably will not help. I doubt it's just friction, but penetrating oil. We're flush. Whew. Now we need to drill these a little bit too. Now I don't think I want to drill these as much because I don't want to weaken them too much. But what I'll do is I'll drill these first and then I'll cut that to length. .41. All right, now I got this all welded up. Fits in there, and now look, I have a coupler I could put between my shafts and mount it somewhere. So, the next thing I want to do is get this snugged in here just so it keeps it from going this way. So to do that, really, I just want to groove. So let's get this guy. Where's the other one gotta be? Right here. Now, let's see how that works. Let's see here. There we go. Look at that. Now, I probably could have gotten this one a little straighter, but oh well. This one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. It's not horrible. For the steering, it'll be fine. If it were a high-speed thing, it wouldn't, but for steering, it's fine. And now, like I said, this is a coupler, so that way I can get my angle, get this one in here mounted, and then get my next one. So I'll have to do that and come up with mounts next time so I can see if it works. So that's it for today. See you next time. Buff it up, 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 buff it up,